Hello guys, welcome back to this tutorial. Today, I'm going to show you how you can add an audio file to your Power presentation. First, launch your PowerPoint presentation. In my case, I'm using a PowerPoint 2016, but it doesn't matter which version that you are using, okay? First, go to Insert tab and select the audio on the left side and hover it, tap on Record Audio and name for your recording audio. Then tap on record and record your voice. Then click on stop. Hey there, this is a demo, okay? Then, if you finish your recording, click on OK. And as you can see, there is a mic icon appears after the recording. So I'm going to put it right here and hey there, this is a demo, okay? That's how you can add your audio file to your Power presentation. If you really like this video, please subscribe our channel and leave a like button to this video. Thanks for watching.